expensive. Time to feed the beast at my favorite place, Buc-ee's. What's up, y'all? So we are here today with a different type of ride. I haven't ridden this ride in a bit. I don't even think I rode it last season, but this is one of my favorite rides, and we're on Texas City Dike right now. Look how beautiful it is. It's gonna be a little bit rough going across the channel to the other side to get to the intercoastal. You hear that wind? Oh yeah. All right, we have got a treat today. It is windy out here, but the only time we're gonna be expecting some chop is when we go across to get to the intercoastal area. But other than that, it's game on. A lot of twisty turns. Hopefully nobody ends up on the marsh or the bank area. Cue the video of Andrew and several people bird watching. That's what they call it.
I want a post-traumatic interview. You want to go ahead and give that right now?
Yeah, it's our fault.
It's her fault. Alvean's fault, right? You bounced off of her wig, right?
Yep.
Anything else you like to say in your defense?
No, I need to get the hell out of here before alligators eat me.
All right, man. We'll get on it.
Don't end up bird watching on this ride. We've got Aurelio out here. He's a brave soul coming out here on this park. He's worried about being the slowest one, but it's okay. We don't leave people behind. It's starting, guys. It's already starting. Yeah! Maybe I should put my jacket on. Guys, I already got wet. I had to put the jacket on. Look at that. It's cold. hit the gas. That's all. You got it, Bishop? La, yummy. It was nice and warm in there. We just finished up over here eating at Stingery and putting some fuel in on the Spark and some other skis. I still got 42 more miles to go on this. I'm loving this. I never noticed this on the GTX, but it tells you the range. It tells you ranges of how far you have left, and we only got 15 more miles to go, so. On this ride, look at these birds. Now make sure y'all like the video down below, especially if you liked it, and make sure you're subscribed. Comment below if you would like to see us do certain types of rides. We are down.